बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful wall hanging ideas for you guys. These are very amazing and super incredible handmade ideas for you guys. These are super unique and very amazing collection for you guys. So viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my video. So viewers, must make these wall hangings at home and decorate your homes with these wall hangings. These are super classy collection for you guys, and you also watch different other videos on my channel about different craft work. So viewers, hope you all are doing well, and these are very pretty collection for you guys. So viewers, you must share your ideas with me. Always think positive viewers, always be positive, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos.